Hey guys, I'm standing here with this beautiful 2019 Ford F-150. I'm really excited to show you 5 ways that this truck will make your life easier. So first off, this truck has our 2.7 liter turbocharged EcoBoost engine. This truck will get you 24 miles per gallon and save you a ton of money at the pumps. Next is this beautiful big second row seat. So you see with the nice flat floor, if you got your kids, you got your tools, you got your friends, you got your camping gear, whatever it is, it's gonna fit in this truck. Seats go up and down really easy, lots of room. Next we got our power tailgate. If you're moving heavy things, say you're moving a couch out of your house with your buddies, you got your arms full, don't wanna be lifting down the tailgate, right? Easy, Ford's got a solution. Press the button, hold the coach, let the gate come down, move the coach in. Next we got Ford Pass. It's 2019, most of us carry around one of these bad boys. Start and stop your truck, lock and unlock the door, see the truck's location, see your gas level, your oil life, you name it, see it all with the Ford Pass app. And the 5th way that this truck will make your life easier is with the memory seats. These seats are connected to your steering wheel, your pedals, your mirrors, and your seat to remember the position of each one. So for you, your wife, and anybody else you're sharing the Ford with, you each have fully customized seating positions.